I told him it's cheap on you. Smell. He got okay. This is in transport because we do get a public on the bridge. I'm not one of them that's on the bridge. My friend did it.
This is a security announcement. Take care of more station areas and mind the gap in waiting on and off trains. Softer foot surfaces may be affected by the weather. If you're a wheelchair user or travelling with a car, things are fine at rates which waiting on the platform. Buy your ticket before you board and be advised that e-scooters are not allowed at stations or on trains. You're also reminded that smoking and vaping are not permitted in Scotland West. If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. Move sorted. Say it, sorted.
I'm waiting for a train to get off at the station to get to the other station. I will make videos of trains and elevators. I also have a TikTok. It's just my name. The train's taking ages. Cool view of it. It might be boring. You can skip it if you. At this point, you skip the video now to a bit when the train comes. I'll be filming all the time though. I don't make much videos, but I'm David. I like being called Basil. My name is actually Basil. Like people can. Obsessed with trains and elevators. I'm not sure my face, but please, if you're new to this channel, subscribe and like the video. It might be shaking because, well, I'm filming on a Samsung Tab S9 Plus. Very good tablet. You should get a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It's good. It's got a good price. It's good. It's a good price for what you get. Train should be here now soon. Just getting a window. think it's coming. If you listen closely, it's the train's coming now. The best bit of the video was the train I'm going to film. Still. Here it comes. I'm going to film trains more often and also take pictures. So I'm just going to film them on those spaces. On this train, I'll make it.
Was that a good video? Was it a good video? Oh, you still did it. I actually really like
We filmed. I filmed the video. Like Elvis. Right, this video would be a cut in this video in a minute. It'll be a cut now. The next, yeah. I'll film the live station. I filmed this little bit of the train speeding up there. Okay, I got a friend. So I can talk to him. And then I asked him. And then I told him he would YouTube, so I was like, oh, I'll film it actually. There might be a cut in the video. No, I'm going to film it, it's cool. I've never been to the station before. It's underground. Yeah, underground. No, this is the mob.
I know you like cars.
Sure.
We all like cars.
Get off the next stop. After I get the train, I'll cut the video. The video will cut. Cut it down as soon as it's moving. I'll cut that and then edit it. That was the video. I edit on my computer. I've got a computer, so I edit them.
I know I like cars, so
Yeah, I'm gonna upload my videos. Maybe not daily, but. Oh.
Eden. I like the train driving noise, it's nice. I know a guy, you'll probably know him, Charles Beno, and he films electric trains. You should subscribe to him. Just That was fun at times.
no sir. Cut that out. Yeah. cut the video.
He filmed all that. He just filmed all
The elevator is that way. I know the elevator is. I'm going to turn this elevator. Yes. Said my childhood I've always loved elevators. Trains have been my biggest favourite territory. So buses. I'll make bus videos. Yeah. I'm going to film people because that would not be. Right, the lift will be that way. Please go with the lift. I got on the station. And then, is that way out? I have to mute this bit. I know, but anyway, I'll cut the video. Goodbye.